Hello guys, welcome to Unbox News. My name is Patrick Ago and this is Twinny. Hello. Oh, you sound so sexy. Oh, look sexy? No, you don't look sexy, but you sound the sound. Come on. Okay, anyway. So welcome guys to a new episode of Unbox News. We are going to unbox an amazing product from EarFun and it is their birthday! Happy birthday to you, EarFun! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Great, thank you, Twinny. Yes, exactly. And then wait, there's the website. Yeah. Amazing giveaway. If you refer to 1, 5, 10, 15, you can get up to $200 giveaway. Exactly, a gift of up to $200. A giveaway of $200. Did you see this? Yeah, well, we'll be back with Twinny at the end of the video. We'll show you the details and he will do a special video for this, so stay tuned on Unbox News. If you haven't subscribed, it's time because it's booming of giveaway. So let's begin. This is the UBoom. Boom. Yeah, anyway, so let's unbox it, but first let's see the box. This is the UBoom EarFun. Well, so this is a 360 sound, an IPX7 waterproof, up to 16-hour playback, and it's a Bluetooth connection and USB Type-C connection or a 3.5mm jack connection. So let's see it and let's see more future of this product right now. So what do we have as first in the box? And this is amazing about EarFun. When you open the box, you can see that there is a $1 for every child, a fair chance. You buy, you give automatically $1. This is amazing. And then you have the manual, of course, can explain to you all the details. What are you doing? What? Bodybuilding? Muscles. This is... What? Yeah, okay. No? Well, you do this in the gym. This is water you drink. But you know what? Keep it. We'll use it for this product, okay? Oh, yeah. You sound excited. You get excited. We cannot tell you anything. Alright? A full black color all over it. On the top you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons where they are matte dark but a little bit laminated, as you can see. Sometimes you don't see them, sometimes you see, but of course they will light up. Only this button, where I will tell you later for what, and the on off. I don't know if you can see it, even like you see the difference in the colors. And here you have a hang loop where you can hang it wherever you want. Here, maybe I'll hang it in his nose. We have the same. What? Yeah. Normally you do this job. Yeah, normally. Anyway, so here in the back, well, in this 360 sound Bluetooth, there is no back. It's 360. But let's say this is the back, where you have the option of course, connecting a auxiliary 3.5mm jack and your USB Type-C. And in the front we have a nice logo. And on the top, guys, as I told you, there is this button, guys. You see it's like a mountain landscape. What it means is, when you press it, this is an indoor quality sound. So pressing it again, it will light up and it knows it's outdoors. So if you listen to rock, metal, hip hop, the sound will get balanced, that don't skimp any bass. That is nice, no? Let's test it.
Yeah.
So let's try the rock music.
Spin, spin,
So let's go for metal. So amazing music. IPX7 is a waterproof. It can go up to 1 meter on water and stay in this depth for 30 minutes. We'll put music in under the water. We'll see what will happen. Yes, inside. Right, perfect. So now let's listen to music. Okay, copyright, thank you so much. So let's talk about the website. So let's go guys for myearfun.com. So this is the myearfun.com website, EarFun first anniversary, with amazing gifts and up to 40% off discount. Enter your email address and the full name, and then you just subscribe and you go to Facebook and Twitter. Automatically you can tweet about this EarFun anniversary, and you can see scrolling down the winner list, and of course, and I'm sure you will be a winner. So you put your email and then you put your friend, sister, brother, father, blah 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 blah, girlfriend, boyfriend, anyone that you want, and you refer to up to 15, and you win an EarFun anniversary pack value up to $200. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and happy birthday to EarFun. Hope you will get 2 years, 3 years, infinity of years creating this amazing product at amazing price. Yeah, this is UBoom, around $60, of course discounted. You'll find all the link in the description. If you haven't subscribed, just go subscribe right now. Follow us Unbox News, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget takecatches.com, where you can find all the best deal of technology online. Alright, thank you so much for what are you doing? Nothing. Don't press this button. This is, don't press it. No.